Russian Su-34 fighter bombers carried out a new attack technique against Ukraine from a height of 30,000 feet. The plane released a bomb with a UMPC-Kit. This attack technique was carried out by the Russian Aerospace Forces, VKS, in the midst of Russian missile and drone attacks on the Ukrainian capital, Kyiv, and on Kharkiv on January 2. Russia also reportedly fired Kinzhal hypersonic missiles, all of which it claims were intercepted and shot down by Ukrainian air defense systems. Now experts say that Russian bombers have reappeared with another bomb from their arsenal. A day after a massive missile attack claimed the lives of several civilians in Kyiv, there were reports that Russian bomber aviation launched attacks on 20 Ukrainian armed forces, AFU, headquarters and one command and observation post using the UMPK-500 Universal Planning and Correction Module. The Russian Ministry of Defense on January 4 stated that Russian Su-34 fighter bombers, with the help of aerial bombs and the Universal Planning and Correction Module, UPMC, succeeded in destroying the Ukrainian Command and Control Center. The report did not specify which bomb was used. However, VKS has been firing Fab 250s, Fab 500s, and even Fab 1500s with UMPC modules since last year. The ministry explained that the Su-34, which took off with the Su-35 for bombing, was equipped with high explosive bombs with UMPC. This allows the aircraft to carry out accurate attacks without entering enemy air defense zone.